Hello everyone, this is Tan from Tan Does Linux and More, and I'm excited to share some details about the latest in the Ubuntu world. Ubuntu 25.04, affectionately dubbed Plucky Puffin, has just entered public beta testing. This is an exciting phase for users and developers alike, as it offers a glimpse into the future of the Ubuntu operating system. Scheduled for its full release on April 17, 2025, this beta version is powered by the new Linux 6.14 kernel and features the fresh GNOME 48 desktop environment. One of the standout features of Ubuntu 25.04 is the introduction of triple buffering. This enhancement is designed to improve graphical performance, particularly for users who run demanding applications. Alongside this, Ubuntu has swapped out its default document viewer, replacing Evince with the more versatile papers. Notably, they've incorporated BeaconDB for geolocation services, which adds a new layer of functionality for users who rely on location-based apps. The Ubuntu desktop installer has received some welcome updates as well. Users now have the option to replace an existing Ubuntu installation seamlessly and see improvements in the dual boot experience, especially for those with BitLocker protected Windows systems. This means that if you have existing BitLocker partitions, as long as you have enough unallocated space, you can install Ubuntu alongside your Windows installation without any hassle. In addition, Ubuntu 25.04 has some exciting network features. For instance, NetPlan now includes support for WPA PSK SHA-256 Wi-Fi connections, which enhances security for connecting to wireless networks. There's also the new ability to ensure that DNS servers are configured and reachable before an interface is considered online, making your network management processes much more robust. For those interested in software, Ubuntu 25.04 ships with a range of updated tools. You'll find the latest GIMP 3.0 image editor available in the repositories, while LibreOffice 25.2 will be installed as the default Office suite, and Mozilla Firefox 136 as the go-to web browser. This release also boasts an impressive toolchain, including updates to GCC, LLVM, Python, and more, enriching the development environment for coders and enthusiasts alike. If you're eager to explore Ubuntu 25.04 Plucky Puffin, you can download the beta version from the official Ubuntu website. Just remember, this is a pre-release version designed for testing, so it's best not to install it on production machines. Join the vibrant Ubuntu community and see what this exciting new release has to offer. Thank you for tuning in, and happy testing.